This is your Frontier opening bell, Wednesday, the 2nd of October. Welcome everyone to the show. Just a quick run through the markets. Nigeria's closed for independence Tuesday. Of course, that's already in the news. The BRVM came in the second trading day of the week, just 1 basis points in the composite. The EGX, that's the Egyptian stock market, continued that rally that started on Sunday. Get a whole lot bigger, 31,866 on Tuesday. The Nairobi market moved up about 0.25%. The Johannesburg market was about 0.1% in the green territory. The Ghana market was down 0.07% on Tuesday. 1st of October, first trading day of the new month and the final quarter of the year. Let's take it down and look at some of the top stories in the East African corridor. Uganda says it has received the first batch of pipes that will be used for that multi-billion-dollar pipeline project, while Tanzania, according to a new report, is now leading Africa in terms of the tourism sector recovery. In the meantime, the BIO, which is a Belgian-based financier, is looking at 4.3 billion shillings investment in East Africa's biggest economy. That is Kenya, by the way. And Congo rebels, according to United Nations, are generating $300,000 per month because of the areas they've seized from the country, which is mining. They are mining seriously, $300,000 per month, according to the UN report. And this is financing rebel activities in the DRC. In the meantime, Centum Real Estate announced that it has completed the handover of 24 luxury apartments worth about 1 billion shillings to the owners. This is 24 building, 3-bedroom luxury apartment, and that has been completed according to Centum Real. Let's move on. West Africa. Nigeria's president yesterday says the sale of ExxonMobil onshore assets in Nigeria's Niger Delta will soon be finalized with Seplat Energy, which is, of course, listed on both London and Lagos Stock Exchange. It's an indigenous E&P company. And governance is key to realizing the benefits of oil and gas production for new countries in Africa, digging furiously for hydrocarbon. That's according to a new report released Tuesday by Moody's Ratings. Countries such as Uganda, Namibia, Senegal, Sierra Leone, and a few others, including Liberia. And 15 million euros sustainable cities projects has been launched in Tamale region in Ghana, while the Guinness of Ghana, will be hosting a fast behind the figures presentation today to the Ghana stock market. We'll follow that for you on Frontier Africa Reports, part of market briefing. And finally, in West Africa, Senegal says Wasila's engines is going to power the Boto gold mine in the West African economy. Those are your headlines on the West Coast. Come with me to Southern Africa. Mozambique Central Bank on Tuesday, cut the country's interest rate again, this time by 75 basis points. And Capitec Bank in South Africa is reporting a very robust first half of the year, 36% jump in profit, dividend up about 36% as well. Quite a robust numbers, but a few soft lines, fault lines within that earnings if you look a little bit deeper. In the meantime, Zimbabwean supermarket vendors and others are starting to reject the new currency, the ZiG, in a new problem for the currency. The latest effort by Zimbabwe to float its own currency while trying to shake off the US dollar. And Sinomine says it's planning in Zimbabwe to invest $500 million in a smelting facility for lithium production value chain in the country, in Zimbabwe. And Cape Town, New York City, and Berlin have launched a rare, first ever joint destination tourism drive. It's the first of its kind in which 3 cities across 3 different jurisdictions in the world will come together for a tourism destination drive. Congratulations, folks. Let's make it work. And finally, in North Africa, that's where we're going. Libya says it's preparing to start oil production once again, which was suspended about a month ago because the Eastern Parliament have come to an arrangement that the current central bank governor will continue in office. A new governor will be put in place and a new board will be coming up in the next couple of weeks. In the meantime, Egypt is looking for 42% renewable source of energy by the year 2040, while the country says its current account falls into deficit in the second quarter. And finally, Morocco's economic momentum slows to 2.4% in the second quarter. And those are your headlines for Frontier Opening Bell, Wednesday, the 2nd of October. I am posting them on fire. Have a great day and see you back soon on the show.